We have made it to Johnny K right now, so we are, as you can see, craziest little trip. I was wondering why it was so cheap. You're not gonna do anything crazy right now, are you? I lost her. She ran away from me.
No, no.
Welcome to San Andrés. We are starting the video right here because we almost messed up. This little piece of paper is necessary for you to enter San Andrés. Check it out. We are right at the airport right now. Basically, it's a tourist card. If you do not have a tourist card, you cannot enter San Andrés. So it cost $35 and it was like a little hidden fee before we went to the island. So as of right now, screw that. We want to get started now on our trip and basically go enjoy San Andrés. We got it basically signed up, but this is like the wait. Check the wait out when you arrive here. It's like the worst. It's worse than freaking Medellin, Cartagena. Check it out. Freaking 1 hour wait just to get into the small island. Alright, we have just made it outside. It took us 1 hour and a half to get through freaking security. As of right now, we're gonna walk into the town, get some food because we are starving. Hopefully get a little water, so, but we're gonna have to go look for it basically. But as of right now, this is the vibes. And let's get away from the taxi rank where they're all trying to charge 25,000 pesos minimum for a ride. We have made it to 5th Avenue, New York. Check out it. Now, I'll be honest, looking around me, this place is kind of trashed right now. I don't even know. San Andrés is supposed to be like a luxury island, and it's giving poverty and I don't know what you can call it. Check it out. Streets are dirty, there's trash hanging around, pavements are not done, like it's just a bunch of random shit going on, but it's what it is. Let's go to the beach. What is going on? We are up and we are ready to go. Before we get started, what I basically want to do is basically show you where I am staying here in San Andrés. Check this out. This place looks crazy. This is like the open pool area and stuff like that there. Basically, if you book here, it's like staying at a villa. So if you can, book here because you'll enjoy it to the max, because it's got every pool facility that you could want to do and everything. Everybody's just enjoying themselves right now. Check out the vibes. We got a little bar area, they're playing sports right here. Multiple pools, like it's crazy for the price. So yes, we are basically going to the islands today. We found a good deal on the beach, literally yesterday when we were walking around. So we're gonna do that there for today. But first I wanna get some lunch and basically get some fish and see what they have to offer around here. As you've seen when I first got in yesterday, basically just trying to film myself around, just trying to get used to the place. It is dirty. Beaches are okay. So yeah, we're just trying to get away from this here like little section or whatever, because it's full of like the normal tourists, and try to go to island, like live it up a little bit today. As of right now, we're hunting for this little spot that it looks good. It's close to where I'm staying or whatever. I want to get some fish before we get going for the day and basically have to go down by the beach and get started into the tour. Okay, just so you know, everything is kind of like dirty around here when you get in. I don't know, they haven't took care of it, or else it's just Christmas period and everybody's like partying and stuff. But this is where you're gonna go. You're gonna basically follow this road down here, and there's like a little bar with like open prices and stuff like that there. So, not a bar, it's like a little restaurant or whatever. I'm gonna show you the name now so you can come visit, but it's basically the best prices that I've seen on the island, and the portions that you get are actually incredible. It's called Restaurante Gordito. So just stop by here and get some food because it's probably your best option in regards to everything else. As you can see, they have almuerzo for 25,000, but we're gonna get a little fish thing going on right now. All right, so we are up and early. Check it out. I can't remember what they called this, to be honest. It looks like a little meat soup or whatever for the breakfast, and then we're getting fish then for the main course. It comes to 35,000 because I'm getting fish, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like basically. But for the most part, this is what it is. Alright, so we are on to the main course right now. Check this out. This is freaking all included for like, I think it's like 35,000 of their money, which is basically around $9 or so. But check it out, look at the size of the fish. Ooh. We are eating nice. My boy got, I didn't even know that. Your fish. Your one's dead anyway. That's what, his head's gone. I don't know, I would eat that one. He got teeth still hanging on. But check it out, for $9, this looks great. I don't even know what type of fish it's called, but we won't get into it anyway. And as of right now, we are walking to basically the tour place by the beach, and we are basically going to hit all the islands on San Andrés. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. Some tours leave at like 7. We're not doing that because it's way too early. Here's like the little strip that they got right here by the beach. Check it out. Food in the morning, and then everybody's kind of making their way now to go get some tours and stuff out there, but for the most part sun's out, and let's go check out mangroves and all the little islands they have around San Andrés. It's nice though. So we just got our hydration and now we're going to try and make our way to the boat. We're tired, we were out last night and we're going to suffer today, but it's worth it I think. We're going to see. Alright, just so a little tip for when you come to San Andrés is basically you can buy tours online, $50 for the day, $40 for the day, and you can waste all your money basically just booking ahead of time thinking you're saving money, when you could just basically walk to this. There's a couple of these shacks here on the beach and basically they have fixed prices, you can't go wrong, and here it is, okay? This is the name of the company. This is their fixed prices that they got right now. And we are getting the VIP tour, which is basically going to take us to all the islands and spend the whole day, and the manglers, the tour of the Bahia, and all the different colors and stuff out there, but check out the prices. We are waiting like everybody else right now, check it out. And she's a starfish, so she is. We're about to leave now in about 10-15 minutes. It is really nice at the beach and everybody looks cranky, or maybe it's just me, I don't know, but we're all ready to go to the island, so so my ass doesn't get burnt at the beach. I don't think I'm gonna get burnt. She thinks I'm gonna get burnt. I think you're gonna be more burnt than me, to be honest.
No.
It is extremely windy right now, but this is our VIP tour on our private boat. Check it out. I don't know why the people are getting on. Kind of just paid for us, but it's whatever it is right now. This is gonna be fun trying to get out of here. Check this out. Oh, hell no. Yo, they said it's like the hardest thing to do when you go in San Andrés, trying to get on and off the boat. Captain is moving right now. Yeah. Check it out. We are soaked right now. Driver's doing a madness.
Doesn't see anything.
They're soaked right now. We're trying to go to the aquarium now, I think.
Hola, VIP, brazalete rosado, 11:30 para hacer los otros recorridos.
Holy shit, that was crazy. We are soaked. Everybody's in the aquarium right now.
I cannot believe I'm here.
This is nuts. Oh shit! Ah! This is the craziest little trip. I was wondering why it was so cheap. Now we know. Everybody is getting photos. We are not getting no photos here. We're just happy to make it. Check it out. It's like the little island look right now. And it is windy. The waves almost killed me and took it out. She's not happy. But it is. She's full of shit. She hates it, so she does, but it's okay. She has to come. But right now we're just gonna like walk around, show you a bit of the island. Bienvenidos. But echamos la explotación de sexual.
I don't get it.
That means don't touch me. We are traveling this forest right now. You're not gonna do anything crazy right now, are you?
No.
It's really nice. I like the spot, to be honest. I wonder if you can stay here, but it looks like it's still in construction, as you can see. I don't know why, to be honest. I thought they would have it done because some of the tourists that are coming here is crazy, but it's really nice. So let's take a little walk around. Everything's in construction, Jesus. Alright, just know if you made it, you're good, but this may be like the last thing that you see here in San Andrés. Alright, we are on the boat back in one piece. How are you feeling?
Excited.
We're awake right now. Check out the scenes. Like I said, if you make it out of there alive, you did good. You completed San Andrés. You don't need to come back here. So nice. We're going up to like a shipwreck right now, and this shit is getting destroyed by the waves. We are dying. We just want to go to the islands, get some food, lay down, rest. I would definitely recommend this if you're crazy, but if you just want like a chill like little tour, then don't choose this one. Choose a different one. But as of right now, we're just pulling up to this. Check it out. Oh my goodness, it's Shahabi. There's the local fish. Hopefully when we go to Johnny K, I'm gonna eat one of them. Alright, we have made it to Johnny K right now. So we are, as you can see, we have everybody just like enjoying themselves with the families. And we are finally able to park up and relax right now. Let's take a little walk inside and let's go see what I can show you. Basically, we just got here. Get like 3 hours here. See what we get up to basically. So that is like the first look of just like walking inside or whatever. Got all these like little places selling and cooking and stuff out there. Now, just so you know, when you get to the island, they all work off one restaurant, so it's all the same price for everybody. It's not like there's multiple restaurants. You gotta go looking and you gotta go trying to figure out who's overcharging and stuff. So basically, just to give you an option of how much it costs, national drinks are about $2. Outside of national drinks are $4, and then all the food dishes cost about $11. So we're gonna show you what we got when we get our food later on, but as of right now, let's just keep walking and moving. Absolutely beautiful parks. This is like the last little stop now before we go back. But altogether, this tour basically came out to $85,000 if you've seen it at the very start, tour VIP. And it's roughly about $20, and it gets you like everything. Boat trips, stopovers, doesn't include your food, but includes your ticket into Johnny K and stuff out there. So, but some of them have extra prices. So if you get a basic tour, just the boat, then you got to pay the $15,000 entrance fee when you get here, whatever. But that is the vibes right now. We're just gonna sit around, enjoy. Everybody's taking photos. I'll be honest, the tour kind of killed my vibe for photos because it's so choppy. It's like I've seen videos online of people like trying to get on the boat here, Johnny K and San Andrés, and it's like the worst thing. And I can see why, because it's just that current is crazy. But as of right now, as you can see, this is like this nice area behind us and the caves. Then you got all these restaurants making up the food, but they all work together. And even all the drinks and stuff out there, you're not really going to get overcharged. They all have the same price. Because it's like a local Colombian island. It's not, they can't overcharge too much because they don't have that many foreign tourists come here, so it makes no sense upcharging for a small proportion that probably isn't going to buy anyway. I lost her. She ran away from me.
No, that's
she
not
ran
true.
away from me. I was sleeping for an hour and then I wake up and the little blonde girl is gone. And I was like, oh, look at her now. She's got her food.
I'm sorry. Really? It's not a lie.
She got vegetarian food over here, and then we got everything but salad. So it's like kingfish. He said it's good. It looks like they have the gravy sauce and the tostones. So